everybody. It is the Kinny Landrum, and oh, wait a minute. Yes, we are in season 4, episode 13 of Golf Cart Confessions, and I have a special guest, Katie.
Hi.
What's up, Katie?
Nothing, it's good.
Gosh, how are you doing this brisk morning at 7:19 a.m.?
It's a little chilly.
And it's a little early,
chilly.
isn't it?
It's a little early.
A little early and a little chilly, but Katie is committed to joining me for Golf Cart Confessions this morning. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So, Katie, what would you like to confess to this early morning on Golf Cart Confessions?
All right, so I turned 31 in May.
31?
I just moved to Bowling Green in January.
You just moved to Bowling Green?
And before I moved to Bowling Green, I'd never had McDonald's.
You never had McDonald's before moving to Bowling Green?
No.
Oh, wow. McDonald's is everywhere. The Golden Arches.
I know. I never had it, and I came and I told all my new friends, and they made me do like a midnight run.
Midnight run?
Made me eat a whatever they call it.
Oh, okay. So what do you think of Bowling Green so far?
I love it.
Do
I love
you?
it. I love the people. Yeah, it's awesome.
So what is the best thing you like about Bowling Green so far?
I think the people.
The people.
The people are so nice, so helpful. Everybody I've encountered so far has been great.
Good deal.
Yep.
Well, Katie, we're happy to have you. Now,
Thank
Katie, you work for VIP Bowling Green, don't you?
I do.
Tell us what you do for VIP Bowling Green.
I just make sure that anybody and everybody that wants to advertise in there can get in there. It's
awesome.
The best magazine in Bowling Green.
Best magazine in Bowling Green. So VIP Bowling Green, make sure you check out Katie if you want to do some advertising.
Absolutely.
Not if, when.
When
you want to do some advertising.
You gotta be in there.
All your advertising needs. Now, you guys have a Facebook page.
We do. VIP Bowling Green.
Awesome.
And a website, VIPBowlingGreen.com.
Awesome. And how can they get a hold of you? Because I know some of these folks are going to see this and they're going to say, I need to call Katie now, or I need to email Katie now. What is the best way to get a hold of you?
Probably email me at Katie, Katie, at VIPBowlingGreen.com.
Guys, get a hold of Katie. VIP Bowling Green magazine right here in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Yeah.
Yes. I just saw the issue come out yesterday. I know this is going to air in about 7, 8, 9, 10 days, but gosh, there were so many wonderful pictures of folks, people, and stories in there.
Yes, so many good events, pictures of everybody. And,
yes.
Yep, and our next one is our Derby preview.
Oh my good, Derby, who doesn't like the Derby preview edition?
It's my favorite.
It's your favorite?
Yep.
Awesome. So guys, be sure to check out Katie. Go ahead and give their Facebook page a like, VIP Bowling Green.
Yep.
Follow them on Instagram. Like their page on Twitter. I mean, like their page on Facebook. Guys, it's early. That's my excuse. I shouldn't have an excuse, should I? Oh my goodness. It's all right. So, that was episode 4, season 4, episode 13. Who will we have? It could be. Oh, wait. Let me see that coffee. Oh, got a coffee. It could be.